Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate depreciation schedules in Excel for tax filing step by step clearly. Open Excel on your computer. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on File and then New. Name your spreadsheet Depreciation Schedule. In the first row, label the columns: asset name, purchase date, cost, useful life, depreciation method, annual depreciation, and accumulated depreciation. Enter your asset information in the rows. Start by filling in the asset name and purchase date for each asset. Next, input the cost of each asset. Then, specify the useful life of the asset in years. Select the depreciation method you plan to use. Common methods include straight line, declining balance, and units of production. For straight line depreciation, divide the cost by the useful life. In the annual depreciation column, enter the formula for straight line depreciation. Type this formula equals cost/useful life. Replace cost and useful life with the corresponding cell references. For declining balance, use the formula equals cost*depreciation rate. In the accumulated depreciation column, add annual depreciation for each year. Use the formula equals sum previous year's depreciation. Copy the formulas down for each asset. To ensure accuracy, double-check your formulas. Save your spreadsheet regularly. Print or export the schedule when ready for tax filing. Review the completed depreciation schedule for any errors. Make sure to keep this document for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.